Singh posited on Wednesday during a field visit to the corporation's estates that he would be able to glean whether COVID-19 protocols at the corporation's facilities are being strictly adhered to in the face of the sharp rise of COVID-19 cases at the facilities.
But my visit here today as CEO of GUYSUCO is specifically to one, see what's the COVID situation with regards to whether people are wearing their masks and so forth on field.
Singh noted that he also wanted to get a hands-on approach of the situation rather than just reports coming to his office.
I can do what you call a monitoring and evaluation deep dive to understand what exactly is happening on the field in these conditions, not just listening to a report, but coming with your own eyes to be there on the ground to see what's happening.
In a release posted to its Facebook page on Wednesday, GUYSUCO said that it has noted with deep concern the increasing number of its employees across the industry who have tested positive for COVID-19. The release further stated that management has acted swiftly and decisively in tandem with the Ministry of Health to conduct testing of the staff as well as contact tracing for those who might have come into contact with infected persons. This newscast inquired of the Public Relations Officer of the corporation, Wendell Badrie, regarding the number of persons who have tested positive for the disease as well as vaccination drives conducted, to which she submitted that a comprehensive report will be compiled by the corporation's medical doctor and head of the Occupational Health and Safety Unit, which will be presented to the media on Thursday, May 13th. Meanwhile, in a release, the sugar body stated that, and I quote, "As part of established protocols, GUYSUCO continues to deploy professional sanitization teams to fumigate workplace areas routinely and as needed, provide all protective gear, including masks and sanitization materials for staff, ensure a socially distant work environment, and facilitate COVID-19 vaccination drives at all of its operating estates." End quote. Singh, while reminding staff that the onus rests upon them to ensure that they remain safe, urged them not to get on to overcrowded vehicles, as he also assured them that the corporation has procured sufficient vehicles to transport staff. He further posited that those vehicles are often sanitized and washed twice daily for safety precautions. GUYSUCO said that employees are asked to stay in quarantine whilst awaiting the result of their COVID-19 tests. If the result is negative, persons may return to work upon receipt of clearance from the Ministry of Health COVID-19 unit. Persons who are tested positive are required to strictly follow the Ministry of Health's instructions and stay in self-isolation until deemed safe to return to work by the COVID-19 unit. Wendell Badrie, HGP Nightly News.